There is no any guy on the planet who does not want to look good, but most guys still don't understand that small changes you make to your face will instantly improve your look. So guys, in this video I'm going to share the 5 best tips on how to make your face instantly more attractive. Whether you have an important event coming up, or special date, or simply want to feel your best. Guys, these 5 tips will help you improve your facial attractiveness instantly. So let's jump right into the video. Let's go with the first tips. Get a fresh haircut. Guys, you need to find a hairstyle that complements your face shape and features. A well-styled haircut can instantly improve your appearance and make your facial look more attractive. Let's go with the second tips, skincare. Take care of your skin by cleansing and moisturizing regularly. This can help improve your skin's texture and overall appearance. So guys, make sure always keep your skin clean and healthy. Let's go with the third tips, eyebrows. Eyebrows play a significant role in shaping the overall facial appearance for guys. So keep your eyebrows well groomed and shaped. Tidy eyebrows can frame your face and enhance your eyes. Let's go with the fourth tips, facial grooming. Trim and shape your facial hair to suit your face. Guys, whether you have a beard, mustache or clean shaven look, keep it well groomed can instantly improve your facial appearance. And guys, let's go with the final tips, smile. A genuine smile can make you look more approachable and attractive. Guys, you need to take care of your teeth and smile confidently. Smile is also easiest tips and tricks anyone can do. So guys, always give a good smile. So alright guys, this is the 5 best tips on how to make your face instantly look more attractive. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.